Here's the problem with buying new construction in Florida. The home may be beautiful, but the location can completely change your lifestyle. So if you're searching in St. Augustine and want to stay close to Crescent Beach, pay attention. I'm going to show you new construction homes just 10 minutes from the beach and help you figure out if convenience, price, and location really line up. Stick around because we're getting after it right now. Imagine living just 10 minutes from the sands of Crescent Beach. Welcome to Crescent Shores by Ashton Woods, St. Augustine's premier new home community. Enjoy total privacy with no backyard neighbors, soaring 10-foot ceilings, and 8 expertly curated designer collections. Best of all, there are no CDD fees, and the HOA is under $100 monthly. Save even more with shallow well irrigation while keeping top-rated Pedro Menendez High School just 5 minutes away. Historic St. Augustine is only 20 minutes from your front door. Discover Crescent Shores today. Now I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of this beautiful coral model home. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home with a study and a loft. It's got a 3-car garage. It's 3,100 square feet, and you can pick one of these up as a quick move-in for $640,000. Let's take a look. All right. All of the homes in this community are on 66-foot wide lots, and this would be built a 3-car garage home. Of course, that is where the offices are. That would normally be a 2-car garage. This is where your single-car garage would be. And you've got this nice pavered patio here, front patio, nice overhang. And of course, you've got a place here for lounging. You got 8-foot door openings, and you've got 10-foot ceilings inside. So as we walk through this home, pay attention to more than the finishes. Ask yourself, does this location really give you the St. Augustine lifestyle that you're moving here for? Taking a look back at the front of the home. Beautiful study with double doors. We've got solid surface flooring here. This will be your half bath or powder room. Closet. Continuing forward, have a nice separate dining area here with a tray ceiling. Over to our right, this will be the entrance in from your 3-car garage. This is where your laundry room is. They've added some very nice cabinets. Continuing on forward, you have this nice, very open floor plan. Tray ceiling here. Let's get a closer look at the kitchen. You have this butler pantry area here. You've got a nice wine chiller there. This will be where your pantry is. You've got stainless steel appliances, double ovens, white shaker cabinets, quartz counters. I didn't mention this before, but I want to make sure you know they have 8 different separate curated design packages available on their homes. Got this very nice nook area here. We're going to take a look out through the sliding glass doors at your patio, which is pavered. And you could enclose this if you wanted to. And as you can see, very nice backyard. That is an electric fireplace. This is the primary bedroom here on the first floor, which is super convenient, right? Large walk-in closet. Primary bedroom with a tray ceiling. You added a nice little bar area over here. Coffee bar. This is the primary bathroom with a super large walk-in shower with dual shower heads, of course dual controls, dual sinks, linen closet here and water closet here. And I'll meet you at the stairs. Right, I'm now at the top of the stairs and they took a turn and here we are. Turn the camera around and we have this beautiful loft area. Gonna go on up the hallway. Another very spacious bedroom. Walk-in closet here. This one is en suite. Tub shower combination. That is not a walk-in closet, by the way. But it is a nice closet. Air handler room here for storage as well. Making a turn to our right. Another bedroom. And look at this. This adjoins to a Jack and Jill bathroom. Beautiful paint color. Yes, this does have a walk-in closet. And I'll give you a better look at the Jack and Jill bathroom. It's got dual sinks. Close this door to the other bedroom. Here you have a tub shower combination. Real quick, if this is your first time here, I'm Jay Wike. I'm a local realtor here in the St. Augustine area. I help people compare new construction communities, beach access locations, builder incentives, and neighborhoods so they can figure out where they'll actually love living, not just which house looks good online. I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of this Vilano II quick move-in home by Ashton Woods here in the Crescent Shores community. This one's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It can be built with a 2-car garage as shown or a 3-car garage. It does have 10-foot ceilings. It's 2,852 square feet and it does have smooth walls. Let's check it out. And if you're thinking about buying new construction here in St. Augustine and want to compare neighborhoods this close to the beach, reach out to me. I can help you look at builder incentives, pricing, commute times, inventory, all the things that matter to you about buying a home in a neighborhood with a lifestyle that really matches what you're looking for. You can call, text, email, All of my information is pinned in the comments as well as in the description of this video. All right, here's your pavered driveway leading up to your 2-car garage. Nice overhanging front porch. More pavers. Here's your 8-foot door opening. Now this home is going to have 3 bedrooms down and 1 bedroom up. Looking back at the front door opening. And again, this home is still in the process of being completed, so it's still being finished up. But I like to take you through the quick move-ins or homes that are still in the process of being completed rather than just the models, so you can see the real thing and the construction process. So that's one of the bathrooms right there. Just showed you 1 bedroom. We are in another now. This will be the entrance in from your 2-car garage. Very nice, spacious first level on this home. To our right, this is the laundry room. Closet. This will be where the mount is for the island for the kitchen. It's got a vented range hood. All the plumbing's been roughed in. All the drywall's been done here. Nice dining area here with a tray ceiling. And again, all of the homes include pavered patios as well in the back. We're heading towards the primary bedroom now. Look how high these ceilings are, folks. This will have dual sinks, wiring for the lighting. This one will have 2 shower heads as well. And they haven't done the tile work or put the pan in yet. Got a beautiful transom window there. This will be where your water closet is. Linen closet over here. And a really nice large walk-in closet here. And I will meet you at the top of the stairs. Okay, we are now at the top of the stairs, and I wanted to make sure I told you the price on this quick move-in Vilano II. This one's going for $599, $990. And no, I am not an AI meme. I'm as real as it gets. I'm Jay Wike, your local realtor. As you can see, this is not stunt sweat. As you can see, we are now at the top of the stairs, and we are in this very large loft area up on the 2nd level. Got these nice windows, lots of natural light streaming in. Here you have a full bathroom with plumbing in for a nice vanity there. This will be additional storage as well as where your air handler is. And This is the 4th bedroom, which is a true bedroom because it does have a door and windows. So that's a look at new construction homes about 10 minutes from Crescent Beach. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, please share the video, or consider subscribing for more content from me. And remember, you're not just buying the house, you're buying the lifestyle that goes with it. Until next time, I hope to see you around Jax.